Hi, let's kill two birds with one stone. ये मुहावरा, this proverb is quite famous. एक पंथ दो कार्य. This is Pratap Manish, English language and personality development coach. और आज के इस वीडियो लेसन में मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूं how to copy and learn. And this is a wonderful technique, copying and learning. So I will suggest all my viewers to copy me and imitate and keep learning. Second, I will teach 10 proverbs, वो 10 मुहावरे जो आपके इंग्लिश को करेंगे स्ट्रांग.
Haste institution, generating English passion, creating revolution in English education. Space.
In the lesson, killing two birds with one stone. So, people should try to minimize their work and they should try to kill two birds with one stone. Like refreshing and health together. Going for a walk is like killing two birds with one stone. The other proverb is, haste makes waste. जल्द का काम शैतान का होता है. See, if you are expecting a lot of results or outcomes in a short span of time, that is just a devil's mind. Patience is a virtue. So if you want to learn good, if you want to grow enough, just have patience. If you want tremendous results, you will have to maintain patience. Patience and hard work is a virtue. Perseverance and patience are two important things which people talk of. Being a personality development expert, I will always suggest you to maintain patience with good work. Moving to the third proverb, जो तीसरा मुहावरा है हमारा. Much cry and little wool. ऊंची दुकान और फीकी पकवान. A lot of showrooms are empty and their prices are exorbitant. बहुत महंगे, exorbitant. Stay away. Refrain yourself from such charming, illuminating and captivating showrooms. And believe in quality. You should have a sense to just judge the quality. Similarly is with the teachers and trainers. You can find thousands and lakhs of mushrooming teachers and trainers who have a lot of followers also. But they don't have a sense of quality maintenance, whether it is knowledge or their presentation skills. They really lack. The fourth proverb, time and tide wait for none. गया वक्त हाथ नहीं आता है. We must respect time. We must know the value of every moment. The time which is going on will never come back. There are few things in the world which will never come back. So we should respect and use this time properly. And I always suggest my students to utilize their time properly, especially this time of lockdown and coronavirus. Can improve your skills, can hone up your skills, and you can shine and you can come out with great skills. So utilize it. Time and tide wait for none. Handsome is that handsome does. अच्छा वही जो अच्छा कार्य करे. Never believe in boasting that or trying to look good. The real goodness lies in your work. If your work is good, if your performance is handsome, you will definitely look handsome. Around the world, from the Olympic champions to sportsmen and heroes and performers, all these performers look wonderfully handsome and beautiful. The most attractive ladies are lawn tennis giants. See, I would say, don't believe in your look only, that your look should good. Your work should define your look. The sixth one, out of the frying pan into the fire. आम से टपका और बगल में अटका. People have been talking about in different ways. इन मुहावरों को अलग अलग शब्दों में कहते रहते हैं. This proverb determines that one problem after the other. When you want to do something, problems are endless. People have to face problems after problems. One problem will end and other will start. Out of the frying pan and into the fire. So this is very common and we have to be ready for everything. Of small wits and great beasts. छोटी मुंह और बड़ी बात. All small wits that give great ideas. So we can use this proverb whenever we get great ideas, even from younger and small people. One nail drives out another. कांटा ही कांटा को निकालता है. Problems will become the solution of another problems. You will be so expert in handling problems that you won't have any problems. Now the second last proverb of the class. Self-praise is no recommendation. अपने मुंह मियां मुट्ठू नहीं बनते. That means, like, if we start praising ourselves, that is no more recommendations. So I always tell my students to recommend, and that's, if you praise, that becomes a recommendation for me. So we can use this proverb, self-praise is no recommendation. All is well that ends well. So this is the last proverb. Ant bhala to sab bhala. Try to finish your work with a fantastic end, and if you end it well, that is a wonderful work. So here we end. Bye-bye.
Haste institution, generating English passion, creating revolution in English education. Haste,